Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong love life reading for March 2026. General reading, so pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you to offer services, ha. Mag-ingat sa mga fake accounts and scammers. And do not message me for private reading. So kung gusto niyo ng private reading, go to my website mrqueenph.com or mag-book kayo directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or sa comment section. And kung napapanood nyo to sa TikTok, i-check nyo yung profile, ha, kung sino yung nag-upload nito kasi maraming mga nagnanakaw ng videos ko, lalo na sa TikTok. So, ang official account, wala akong backup account, isa lang yung account ko, Mr. Queen PH. Okay? Meron tong almost 70,000 followers na as of this time. So, ingat sa mga scammers, ha. Okay, unahin natin yung mga Cancerians na single. Kumusta naman? What's the energy for Cancerians? Single. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong pinagpipilian. Maraming options actually para sa inyo. Hindi lang kayo satisfied sa potential ng connection na to. So, some of you are, excuse me, connecting with other people. Alam mo yung parang nagkaka-crush, ganun, or parang nagkakagusto ko sa isang person, but iniisip mo lang siya, but hindi talaga totally na parang you want this person. Parang may hinahanap ka sa kanya. Hindi lang to isa, no? Pwedeng dalawa or tatlo for some of you. And you don't feel comfortable actually with the other, pwedeng may isa rito na nagugustuhan ka, tapos biglang may magugustuhan ka dun sa another person. So, parang may push-pull energy. So, I don't think at this point, meron kang gusto mong i-pursue ang romantic connection ngayong March. So, wala pa muna. Okay, para naman sa mga in a relationship na Cancerians. Let's see the energies. In a relationship for Cancerians in a relationship ngayong March. Oh. Whoa. Okay, so you have the Death card, the Four of Wands, the Eight of Cups, leaving a situation. So, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, may transformation na nangyayari sa relationship ninyo. Some of you, this is a good transformation. So, ibig sabihin, halimbawa, from boyfriend, girlfriend, magjowa, going to a more serious relationship. So, yung iba sa inyo, kayo ay ma-engage o kaya may mga plans na of getting married, ganyan. So, nandun na kayo sa path na you are walking away from a different setup ng relationship ninyo to a new relationship, like a more serious setup ng relationship. So, yung iba sa inyo magkakaanak na or anytime soon, you will have your own baby. Let's see. Yeah, Ace of Cups, oh. Merong change. Like a new member of the family is coming in for some of you. Yeah. So ngayon, nagpapaka-busy kayo, especially kung kayo ay may mga major plans para sa relationship nyo na nagle-level up na. It's either ikakasal na kayo, you're going to settle down, nagkakaroon na kayo ng anak. So, a lot of emotions coming in, or marami kang emotions na mafe-feel ngayong March. Because of the changes, no? Yung transformation na nangyayari. Because iba na yung setup ninyo, iba na yung situation. Some of you naman, maaring meron ditong kailangan na lumayo, no? When I say lumayo, pwedeng mag-abroad yung partner mo, or dahil nga meron kayong mga pinaghahandaan, mas maraming kailangang trabaho na gawin, and sometimes kailangang dumistansya in a way na Kasi nga mapupunta sa ibang lugar dahil doon magtatrabaho. But yeah, I think your relationship is going to the next level. Mas nagiging seryoso ang inyong connection ng person mo. Express love through gifts. A small token of love can convey great appreciation. Okay. So for some of you, mas magiging caring kayo or mas magiging demonstrative kayo sa person ninyo na parang kahit mga maliliit na bagay, paparamdam nyo sa person nyo na mahalaga sila, mahal nyo sila. 'Di ba? So mas magiging strong yung relationship. So that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.